So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-change ng theme sa ating CICI app. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating CICI app or yung ating CICI account. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang chats, itap nyo lang yung three horizontal dots na nandito sa upper right corner. And then, may magpo-pop up dyan guys na option. So, hanapin nyo lang and then itap yung theme. And dito meron kayong pagpipilian guys. Pwede nyo gawing light mode, dark mode, or naka-default siya sa device. So, pwede natin siya guys gawing dark mode. Tap nyo lang yung dark mode. Hanggang sa magkaroon ng checkmark sa right side na sabihin yun yung naka-enable. So, light mode, and then device. So, sa device, guys, is pwedeng maging light or dark mode yan. Depende sa system ninyo. So, gawin na lang natin dark. And ayan, guys, ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating CICI app na theme. So, ayun lang, guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-change theme sa ating CICI app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you my new videos. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.